In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate text in Google Sheets. Rotating text is a quick way to make your sheets cleaner and easier to read, especially for narrow columns or header rows. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly what to click and how to get the look you want. First, open Google Sheets in your browser and load the spreadsheet you want to work with. You can use a new sheet or an existing one. Make sure you're on the correct tab where your data lives so you can see the cells you want to adjust. Next, select the text you want to rotate. Click a single cell if you're changing just one label, or drag to select a range. If you're formatting headers, click the first header cell and drag across the rest, or use Shift-click for a continuous selection. You can also click the column or row header to select an entire column or row if every label in that area should rotate together. The key idea is that rotation only applies to what's selected, so confirm the highlight covers everything you want. Now look up at the toolbar and find the text rotation button. It's the icon that looks like a slanted letter with a small curved arrow. Click it to open the rotation menu. If your window is narrow, you may need to expand the toolbar or maximize your browser to see it clearly. With the menu open, you'll see several preset options. Choose the style that fits your layout. Tilt up and tilt down give a subtle angle, great for tight spaces without making text hard to read. Rotate up and rotate down turn the text vertically, which is useful when your columns are very narrow. Stack vertically places each letter underneath the previous one, which can make short headers stand out. If you need precision, select custom angle and set the exact degree you want. Positive values tilt one direction, negative values tilt the other, so you can fine-tune the look. After you apply the rotation, take a moment to review spacing. If your text looks cut off, gently widen the column or increase the row height so everything is readable. If you change your mind, simply reselect the cells, open the text rotation menu again, and pick a different option or set it back to none. And remember, you can always undo your last change if needed. That's all there is to it. By selecting your cells, opening the text rotation menu in the toolbar, and choosing the angle or style you want, you can make your Google Sheets cleaner and easier to scan in just a few clicks.